Are you getting those bubbles?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
They're coming out fast, aren't they?
So
Whoa, be careful. I can fill it back up. I just don't want you to fall. I just don't want you to fall down the steps, okay? So you gotta be careful. I can give you some more bubbles though.
Some more.
That machine's putting out bubbles. Are you getting them?
Yeah. I
You getting them?
See what?
If you pour it out, you can't make bubbles. All gone.
Some more.
Yeah, you just poured it out and you want me to get some more?
Yeah.
Why don't you stomp those bubbles that are on the steps? Can you get those bubbles for me? That are on the step? Yeah, put your bottle down so I can fill it back up. That way you don't fall. You can hold the railing, okay? Get those bubbles.
What bubbles?
Yeah. Don't get them in your eye. That soap will burn your eyes, babe.
Let me see.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Let me see.
You get a bubble in your eye and you will cry.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
I dropped it.
You sure did.
Oh, my bottle.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Say, help me get it.
Help me get it.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
That's got bubbles.
Let me get my shoes.